In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shein to update your personal address book. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the steps in a straightforward and easy manner. Let's get started. First, our journey begins with heading over to the Shein website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, which you can easily find just by searching Shein on Google if you're unsure. Once the homepage has loaded, you'll notice the vibrant display of fashion options, a treasure trove for any shopping enthusiast. However, our focus is on making sure your address book is set up correctly. Next, you need to locate the Personal Center. This is generally found at the top right corner of the web page, often indicated by an icon resembling a silhouette or profile. Give it a click, and you'll be directed to a page with your account details. This area is fundamental as it's where you manage all personalized settings, including your orders, saved items, and importantly, your address book. Now, to refine your address information, find and select the option labeled Address Book. Typically, it appears prominently in your account settings menu, making it easy to find. Once there, you will see a list containing any previously saved addresses, if applicable. To create a new entry, you should find and click on Add New Address. This action will open a form where detailed information such as your street address, city, postal code, and contact details should be inputted. Ensure you enter this information accurately to avoid any hassles with future deliveries. After you've filled in all necessary details, review them carefully for any typos or errors. Accuracy in this step is key to ensuring your packages arrive at the right place without unnecessary delays. Once you're satisfied with all the input, click Save. The new address will now appear in your list of saved locations, making it much easier for future purchases. This feature enhances your shopping experience by streamlining checkout processes, allowing you to choose from saved addresses when placing an order. That's it, you're all done. It's a simple task that, once completed, ensures a smoother shopping experience. Updating or adding your address through the Shein platform is quite straightforward and can save you time and effort in future transactions. By ensuring your address details are correct and up to date, you enjoy the best possible shopping service and efficient delivery of your favorite pieces. Thanks for joining me today, and happy shopping.